Today we take a look inside the Skoda Octavia car factory. Hi there internet friends, welcome back to our channel. If you like how things are made, this video is right up your street. One of the busiest assembly lines at the Skoda plant in Mladá Boleslav is Hall M13. The best-selling Skoda Octavia and the Skoda ENYAQ for electric SUV are both made here. Every minute of interruption on this line equates to lost revenue in the form of unsold automobiles. Aside from quality, which is obviously critical for both the company and the client, efficient capacity utilization is an important aspect of manufacturing. Efficient utilization means fewer stoppages, which means fewer flaws that cause stoppages. Problems can be avoided by improving preventive measures, which is costly, or by performing more intensive maintenance when defects occur, which is time-consuming and requires specialized staff. The most effective method of maintenance is to employ contemporary technologies, digitalization, and data collection to predict when a piece of equipment is about to break down and to repair it before the problem or stoppage happens. The system includes the required hardware, which is put on one of the frames that travel along the line with the car bodies, as well as complex software. Artificial intelligence, AI, is an important component of software. 6 cameras are put on the frame to keep track of the various elements' status. The technology employs a 7th camera to read QR codes to figure out where the scanning device is. The cameras are connected directly to a powerful computer on the frame, where 10 artificial neural networks analyze the collected photographs in tandem. The Magic Eye neural networks can currently distinguish between 14 different sorts of abnormalities. Consider the difference between a tightly tightened bolt and one that has been entirely sheared off. Around 100 of these different circumstances can be detected by the system. The analysis is additionally aided by an autoencoder, which is a unique form of artificial neural network. This solution is utilized to detect faults that haven't been experienced yet and hence haven't had the opportunity to replicate. A foreign object, such as metal shavings on the track, could be the source of the problem. The condition of the production line equipment in Hall M13 is now constantly monitored by Magic Eye. The cameras collect roughly 450,000 photographs during a single round of the line, which takes as long as a single car remains on the line. The photos are promptly analyzed, and the results are transferred to the cloud via the company's Wi-Fi network. If the system identifies an anomaly, it notifies the maintenance operator, who can examine whether it is a genuine emergent issue or a false alarm on the app. If the emergent problem isn't critical yet, he can arrange the following steps accordingly, either instructing immediate corrective action or arranging repair work during one of the scheduled downtime periods. All the detected defects help continue learning and continuously improve the system. The perception of the maintenance profession is shifting as a result of this. Maintenance workers aren't merely nimble and skilled mechanics and technicians anymore. They are also experts in the creation and development of maintenance procedures that are predictive. Magic Eye will be used in more than just production plants, according to Skoda, and the Volkswagen Group as a whole is interested in the technology. In connection with the Magic Eye, Skoda has also filed a patent application. The second part of the video covers how Skoda line staff assemble the Skoda cars, so if you can, sit back and enjoy this fascinating process and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. While you continue to watch the Skoda production line, I thought I'd give a brief step-by-step chat about the process of manufacturing a car. A car takes anywhere from 2 to 5 years to build from conception to completion, depending on the design. This lengthy period is necessary to verify that the vehicle is safe for public usage and to provide unique designs that will arouse the interest of a broad market. Since line invention, each car manufacturer has had its own assembling procedure. As technology advances and demand shifts, design and material usage have gotten more elaborate and complex. From acquiring raw materials to showing the vehicle on the sales floor. Starting with the raw materials must be compiled to transform the car from an idea to a reality. Many car manufacturers are looking for more sustainable, as well as lightweight and cost-effective materials for their cars to keep up with the demand for greener products. Automobile design must respond to the public's needs and desires for a car. Once the design is drafted, it will go through many revisions to perfect it. The interior and exterior must be fashioned so that it is attractive to potential buyers while also including innovative technologies that make the car newsworthy and competitive to other brands. Small models will be made in 2D and 3D forms to test the car's design. Engineers will test for aerodynamics, safety, hot and cold weather, fuel economy, electrical functionality, cost analysis, and more. Once the design and engineering specs have been approved, then the manufacturing process can begin. The sheet metal parts for the bodywork are created and stamped by robots. These parts form side frames, doors, hoods, and roofs, which are later added onto the main frame of the car. Once the frame is created and the parts are ready to be assembled, the car will be loaded onto a production line. The car will travel along a moving assembly line in a factory as robots and people work on them. Manufacturing plant workers will attach parts to the car and may work alongside robots for certain tasks. Robotic work cells will work alone to weld, solder, screw, and glue parts onto the car. Once the parts of the body are manufactured onto the car, it will undergo detailing. This includes cleaning, layering chemical formulas for protection against corrosion and scratches, and painting. Finally, the engine, transmission, axles, and exhaust systems are installed into the car and the tires are furnished so the car can stand on its own. Now that the car is ready to drive, it will be tested for quality assurance and safety. The vehicle is checked for any imperfections or inconsistencies in the interior and exterior design. The car will run through a series of tests similar to those given at a DMV. The engine is started and stopped several times, the steering alignment is adjusted, the headlights are checked for brightness and reach, brakes are tested for safety, and more. Then, the car will be tested in heavy water pressure to find leaks. The car's programming will be tested, and the electrical units will be checked to ensure safety and accessibility. Finally, crash testing will be executed to observe how the car handles impacts, and to test airbag and seat belt performance. If the car requires no further tweaks in design and production for safety, then the car can be presented to the market. After performing market research, developing a marketing theme, and defining the price of the car will be produced for car dealerships and private dealers to sell to the public. Cars are a fascinating and cutting-edge technology. They are commonplace now, but cars are an engineering feat that has transformed the way we travel. Understanding the process of manufacturing a car from design to launch will enable you to have a new appreciation for automobile design and function. Well, there you have it, internet friends. Thanks for watching our video about the 2022 Skoda Octavia car factory. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments section below. We leave it up to you to subscribe to our channel and perhaps slap the like button, which helps to promote the video to like-minded people. As always, enjoy your driving adventures. Click on the small windows coming up on your screen in a few seconds to watch more videos from us. It would be nice if you could join us again soon for a new video. From me until then, ta-ra for now.